Fantastic. I love it. Macaroni is very good. So in this video, we are going to explore Hamburg street food for the first time. And back of me there, you can see Isma Backhouse Bakery. So we are going there to see what we are going to get. If this is your first time in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So we are going there and see what we are going to get. You know what I'm saying? Hello, how are you? You good? Okay. So I'm gonna get something inside this bakery, and this is what they got here. So I'm gonna get something. So this is what I want. Yeah, I'm gonna get something good. So we are inside this bakery, Isma Backhouse Bakery. So I'm gonna get something special here, as we are exploring Hamburg street food. And I'm gonna get something special, so I'm waiting for them to come. Let me see what I'm going to get. You know, I'm gonna get something special here. So this is what I got, and it looks so beautiful. This is chicken, and this is cucumber, and this is tomatoes, and also this is salad. And I'm gonna try it and see how it tasted, and it cost €4. So we are exploring Hamburg street food. So let's see how it tasted. I'm gonna try it for the first time. Yeah. So this is what I got. I got bread with tomatoes inside, cucumber, and salad, and also salad. So I'm gonna try it for the first time and see how it tasted. Look at the back. I think it's dirty, but let me try it and see how it tasted. It's very good. It's tasty. I think the chicken is a little bit salty. There is too much salt in the chicken. It's very good, and it's good. It's very good and very nice. We got mayonnaise inside. That is mayonnaise. It's delicious. So this is what I'm going to get. I'm gonna get a roasted fish with bread for the very first time. This is my first time. I'm gonna try it. Is it Turkish food? Turkish food? Turkish.
No vegan.
No vegan.
No vegan come.
Okay. It's from no vegan. I don't know.
But fish special.
Oh.
But fish no vegan come.
Okay, good. So this is what I'm going to get. A roasted fish with bread It's gonna be amazing. So this is the bread.
So garlic, spice, sugar.
Yeah, I love spicy. I don't
No
like
spice?
sugar. Sugar, no.
Sugar no.
No. So I need spicy on it. And also salad. Yeah, yeah. That is salad. They are putting salad. Onions. Yeah, onions. Which is very good. Wow, yeah, good. Alex good. So that is the chair. Fantastic. I love it. Macaroni is very good. The bread is so soft, and the fish smell good, amazing smell, and it's tasty. I like it. I like the way it tastes. So it's amazing, incredible. Wow! I like the way they prepared it. It's well prepared. The smell is amazing. This is the pepper sauce, and this is the fish. This is the fish. This is the roasted fish. It's very good and very nice. And also there's a lime, like if you wanna squeeze it on the fish, then you can squeeze it. But I don't like eating a bread with lime. No, I don't like it. I don't get used to it, man. So it's very nice and amazing. The bread is so soft. The smell is amazing. It's some kind of juicy, so I like it. Wow, it's fantastic, man. I need something. I need this one. This here. Yeah, water grazan. I just need one. Let me eat it here. Give me a tissue. What is the name of this place? The name.
Central Station.
Okay. No, the name of this shop. Okay. Let me taste it and see how it tastes.
€2.20.
Mm. Fantastic. The bread, which is good. I love it. I love the taste. It's fantastic. You know what I'm saying? But I love it already. It's good, man. So today we are exploring Hamburg street food. We are going around to explore Hamburg street food. You know what I'm saying? So we're right here inside the train station, and this is what we got. We got bread with chicken, and also we got bread with fish. And now this is what I got for €2.20. I think Germany is expensive. The cost of living here is high, man. Hello. Yeah, it's good. Hey, good. So we are exploring Hamburg street food. From here, we are going to get some mango juice. From the other side, fantastic. I love it. So can I pay with card?
With card?
Yeah.
€2.20.
Oh, you wanna pay for me? Can you pay for me? You can pay. Money is involved. Kind of English. Me speaking English. Sierra Leone. Yeah. I need to put my. Yeah. West Africa. Yeah, before. Yeah. It's good. No, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I think this. We used to eat this a lot in Italy, and it's very common in Italy. We eat it a lot, so it's very good, beautiful. The taste is very nice. There is butter inside, so I love it. I don't like something with sugar. I don't like too much sugar, so that is why I requested for this. and it's amazing, good, and nice. So I'm going to get my mango juice now from there. So we are going to end the video for today, and it's in another time. So I'm going to get my mango juice now to the other side. So guys, I got some mango juice. No, not what I was expecting. The mango juice is not nice. No, 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 no. It's just like orange juice with something inside, like the one I used to buy. It's quite different from this, and also the taste of it is totally different. It does not taste well, and there's no milk. There's no milk on it, and I think this is not what I was expecting. I was expecting something different, but this is what I got. So it's quite different. So this is mango juice. Just like, is this a mango juice? Mango, mango.
Yes, mango. Inside. Mango, papaya, orange.
No, I mean mango juice. So this is mixed juice.
That's mixed.
Bro, they sell me. This is mixed juice.
Yes.
Mango, lime,
Just mango.
papaya.
Just mango. You cannot make juice. So now just
No,
mango.
I think the last time I got mango juice at the other side.
Well,
Wow, it's crazy, man. No, it's okay. I'm gonna manage this. This is mixed. I said it. I said it.
just mango juice. You cannot. How can you mix? You can eat mango, but just
Yeah, no. I think the other side they are selling mango juice. I think the last time I got mango juice in Berlin. Yeah, it's very good with milk.
with milk. It's
Yeah.
a shake. It's no juice.
No, it's
shake
juice.
With milk. I have with the milk. I have shake with the milk.
No, that one is a mango juice. No, it's it's okay.
It's juice. The milk is shake. I have too. But it's not juice. It's a shake.
So this is totally different, and no, it's okay. It's nice. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. So I was expecting something different, man. So this is what I got, man. It looks like orange juice. So this is what I got, and this is Mr. Blue Shop, and where you can get cold juice with different things. And so it's good, and you can also get fruits, fresh fruits. Wow. This is what I got. I was expecting pure mango juice, but this is what I got. I got something different. It's crazy. So I got to manage it. And so guys, we are going to leave you now. I think we finished for today. We are done for today. So we are leaving now. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your family and friends. And till we meet again in another video. So guys, I'm gonna take you around and explore different kind of food and different cities